Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. Been a little bit of a while, but had a few bits and bobs to do. As you can see, I've been getting up nice and early for work every day, so as you can imagine, my energy levels have been down. But today, took Toby to football, had a day off for work, and I'm a little bit more energized. So, there's a few bits I want to show you. I think first things first, need to give the old girl a bit of a clean. She is looking a bit dirty, so we're going to get on and get this cleaned. Then we're going to get into the actual video, which isn't really a lot. It's just me showing you a few bits and bobs and a few ideas for videos, weather dependent. So let's get big red clean. Well, I've done most of the vehicle. It's come up all right, but I forgot how nice these wheels are cleaned up. So I thought I'd quickly show you. So got a nice little before and after. I mean, I haven't actually dried them properly yet, but look how nice they come up. Love how these wheels look when they're clean. Anyway, I'm gonna finish doing the other ones, get back to you in a sec. And that's that done. All nice and clean. Even got round and did the car. So yeah, quite happy with that. I mean, if you can see the wheels, I mean, they have come up absolutely stunning. So very pleased with that. There is something that my daughter does want to do in a minute, but before we get on to that, so I've been sent some stuff recently, and some of it's already in the van, some of it I'm about to do. A new oil seal, because my van's still leaking a little bit of oil. I think it's weeping out of the seal, so I've got to redo that. And I did get myself a set of picks, because if you can remember the last time I did that oil seal, it didn't really work very well. So hopefully these picks will help get the seal thing out from the sealy area. Something for my toolbox. You guys probably aren't even interested, but I'm telling you anyway. I've got some rails to put my sockets on, because at the minute they're all just thrown in there all messily, and I kind of want to tidy that up. So I got these, lots and lots of these. So there's that to do. I also have these. I won a competition, and the guy who was putting the competition on basically 3D prints, and what it was is they are VW bolt covers for your wheels, and somewhere in here valve caps, all 3D printed. So yeah, I've got these, so we're going to put these on right now. If you guys are interested in getting yourself some of these, I will put his Instagram up on the screen. I think it's like Chubb's merch, and I won't show you that because it's got my address on it. But yeah, go over and have a speak to him. He's on Instagram, probably on Facebook, but I don't use Facebook. These are a really tight fit as well, actually, so he shouldn't come off. But he did send me some spares, so if one does fall off, I have a spare. So hop over if you want to get yourself some of these and snazz up your wheels. So while my daughter finishes that off, I also got sent one of these. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I've been raving about this, but it's called Ikaika. It's what they're called. I'll put, yet again, the Instagram to get one of these up on the screen, but it's all handmade and looks pretty cool. You can also get the rope men from them, but I've had that one for ages. But got myself a little Ikaika. Absolutely love him. I think he's brilliant. So I'll put the Instagram up for that up on the screen as well. I think that's everything we need to talk about. I think. My daughter's putting the finishing touches on these. I'm going to get a little video of these so I can send it over and they can use it for their promo. And then my daughter has something fun to do in the van. So we'll see you with that in a sec. Right, well there's that all done. Like I said, I showed you my little Ikaika, showed you my wheel things. They actually look quite cool. Quite impressed with them. Definitely like my Ikaika. Where is he to? There. Absolutely brilliant. He is a fun little addition. But as you probably very well know, Christmas is just around the corner. And what says Christmas like Christmas music and decorations? And we've decided, well, she's decided to decorate the van. So got some LED lights, some tinsel, and we are going to be getting some more. That's just basically what we got from Aldi. And now she is going to be putting that on the inside of the van and Christmasifying it.
See?
Well, these sets are pretty cool. Got them from Aldi, they're £3.99, and they come with batteries. So, look at them, they've got like little things on.
That means they turn different
What are
colours.
they, Christmas trees? Yeah, like little Christmas trees. About them, 4 batteries on that.
3.
Oh, look, I can count, there they. So, Sky's got, what's that, blue, green, orange and red. And mine are, hopefully you can see these. Red, blue, yellow and green again. But mine are the Christmas trees, Sky's are just LEDs. So Sky's job is to hang them up.
What, do you want them all the way?
I don't care, you're doing it.
I might go like that.
So, not sure how much of that footage you would have seen because it was just us messing about, but we put loads of little, where is it to? Loads of those little hook type hooks in all the way around. That one didn't go round like we thought, so we've managed to mount it up. Show them. We managed to mount it up there by screwing it in, and then there's a set across the back, which you can't really see in this light, but and then you put the little controller up there, and when it's all on, it looks all Christmassy. So definitely want to get some more lights in here because this does look pretty cool. I don't think the video is going to show it much justice, but that looks quite cool actually. So definitely going to get a few more sets, probably the ones that go around the outside. Probably get another one. Very pleased with that. We have got some tin foil. Not entirely sure where she's going to put these, but definitely going to get some more Christmas lights and Christmas decorations up in here because I think it looks quite cool actually. I am quite impressed with this.
This is a whole long one.
Where are you going to put it?
For now.
So while she figures that out, I think we've had quite a successful day. Toby's done football, done absolutely banging. We've done Christmas decorations, washed both cars. I think we've had quite fun. Well, Sky's decided across the windscreen's a good idea. So probably get some more of that and put it somewhere else in the van. And you can see the lights are on the inside. Going to get some more lights. That's turned out quite well. Obviously the camera's sort of adjusting to the light so you can't see it as nice as I can, but I think we've done, well, Sky done a good job. Quite pleased with that. But we're probably going to get some more at some point because this actually turned out quite well. And like I showed you, the Ikaika and the wheel bolt covers, if you're interested, jump over, drop them a message, tell them I sent you. Other than that, thank you for all the interaction on the last video. It was the frequently asked question one. That's brilliant, the amount of questions I got on that, and you guys really seem to quite like that video. So I think I might do another FAQ part 2 soon, not just yet though. And everybody who's been talking about the drag van, you guys seem to really like the idea of that. Well, luckily enough, I've been speaking to a few people and have already started to slightly get the wheels in motion, and definitely have a game plan of where I want to be going with that. So yeah, that's really looking forward to doing that, and by the sounds of it, so are you guys. So that's probably it for today. I think that's enough. A little bit of a random update. Expect that oil seal video to come out extremely soon. Thank you to all my new subscribers. My sub count is definitely growing quite nicely, and it's nice to see you guys are interacting. My Instagram is down below as always. If you ever need to get in contact with me or got any questions for me, that is the best place to get hold of me too. So yeah, thank you very much guys. I am going to let my daughter do the outro.
If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.